delivering great services is no longer optional for organizations. This is because it directly affects trust, it affects performance, it affects growth and long-term survival. At QO Design Dynamics, we help organizations design better services, but also help build the capability of those organizations to sustain the services. So we work with organizations across multiple industries. So this could be oil and gas, could be banking, could be hospitality, could be the telcos, energy, public sector, to improve how the services are designed, delivered, but also scaled. Our approach focuses on 4 key things. One is that we design services that work for people. 2, we align systems, we align strategy to business goals. Number 3 is we deliver measurable impact. Number 4 is we build internal capability through our QO Design Academy, so that teams can continue improving even long after we leave. So the result is not just better experiences, but rather stronger organizations that can adapt, organizations that can grow, organizations that can deliver impact consistently. Thank you.